Welcome to using precision alignment as a foundation for reliability-centered maintenance from Acquip Incorporated. Hi, I'm Damian Josephsberg. Thank you for joining me for this presentation. During this presentation, you are going to learn how to use precision alignment as a foundation to streamline your reliability-centered maintenance program. At the end of this presentation, you will be given some information on how you can have Acquip help you with your alignment program at your facility. To see how you can use precision alignment as a foundation for RCM, we first have to discuss what reliability-centered maintenance is. RCM is a process that you first are going to identify the different pieces of equipment that you have to maintain. Then you link the production to the operation of these specific pieces of equipment. Then you measure the impact on production if the machines were to fail versus the cost of maintaining the machines using different methodologies. You work through this whole process by asking a series of questions in order to get you from point A to point B. Now let's discuss misalignment. Misalignment causes over 50% of machine vibration. Misalignment damages bearings, seals, couplings, and shafts. When you run your machines misaligned, the energy that would be used to transmit power is changed into useless heat, causing you to waste energy and causing your power cost to be higher than it should be. If you run your machines misaligned for long enough, it will cause a catastrophic failure, and that costs a large amount of money and production being down. Precision alignment costs little to maintain. In fact, the majority of your alignment should take place before your RCM process even begins. At machine installation, the machines need to be aligned properly. You should make sure that you are aligned to acceptable tolerance before they're put into service. During outages, there's a lot of ancillary equipment that isn't necessarily involved in the outage, but is down due to the outage. So when this occurs, someone should go around and perform an alignment check on all these different machines to make sure that they are all aligned to acceptable tolerances. After a component is repaired, such as a bearing, a seal, a coupling, or a shaft being replaced, the machine should be aligned to acceptable alignment tolerances as well. When you operate your alignment program using this methodology, the majority of your alignment problems are going to be solved before the RCM process even begins. Most of your misalignment is removed before your maintenance costs are estimated. This is going to allow you to concentrate your RCM on other problems that are going to require more resources, and in turn, that will allow you to streamline your RCM program. You should develop a precision alignment program that is going to support your RCM efforts. Your precision alignment program is going to act as a foundation for your reliability-centered maintenance program. This is going to increase the mean time between failures of your machines, and it's going to reduce your parts, labor, and energy costs. We have prepared a brief checklist to ensure that you are using precision alignment as a foundation for your reliability-centered maintenance program. First of all, you want to make sure that your machines are aligned to acceptable alignment standards when they are installed. Next, you want to make sure that all machines are checked and corrected for misalignment when you have outages. After you have any repairs on your machines, you want to make sure that the machines are aligned to standard before they are put back into service. Machines should be checked for misalignment on a regular interval. How often you check them is going to depend on how critical the machine is and how often it goes out of alignment. A more critical machine you would obviously check more often, and if you notice a machine is more prone to go out of alignment, you would check that machine more often as well. You should make sure that an alignment program is put into place to ensure documentation and scheduling of alignment. There is no way to know that your alignments are being performed when they are supposed to be, and if they are being performed to standard, unless you schedule your alignments and you document them. You also need to make sure that the technicians that perform the alignments are properly trained. Whether you use your in-house maintenance staff or you use outside contractors to perform your alignments, they have to be properly trained to perform the alignments on the equipment that you have, and they have to be aware of the alignment standards that you are using. Why is Acquip the best choice for your laser alignment needs? Well, at Acquip, all we do is alignment. We're experts in the field. We're able to take current technology that's available now and apply it to new problems. We continually think outside of the box to solve problems that are out of the ordinary. We have experienced alignment engineers who are dedicated to your specific alignment needs. We will go almost anywhere at any time without almost any notice. We guarantee your alignment will be done correctly the first time. Thank you for joining me for this presentation. For more information on Acquip products and services, you can contact our sales office at 407-401-9343. For any technical questions, you can contact operations at 305-538-7101. You can always find us on the internet at www.acquip.com, or you could send us an email at info@acquip.com. Remember, at Acquip, alignment is our business.